everyone, welcome back to InvestED. Today I want to talk about contextualizing market volatility, and I want to look at just how common market volatility is within the stock market. And so to do this, I want to look at one of my favorite charts. I look at this chart all the time, and I think as long-term investors, this chart really helps keep things in perspective, especially when we do see an uptick in volatility. We call this chart "Even good years have dark days," and really what this chart shows is just how common sell-offs and volatility are within any given year. So if we look at this chart very quickly, what this chart shows is the calendar year return for the TSX, the Canadian stock market. And you can see that most years deliver a positive rate of return. What this chart also shows is the largest intra-year drawdown, which simply means how much has the market fallen from its peak in any given year. Right? So what can we take away from this chart? Well, as I mentioned earlier, most years are positive for investors. The average calendar year return in Canadian equities has been roughly 8%, which is a great rate of return, except for the fact that the market doesn't go up in a straight line. It bounces around. And that's also what this chart shows us. It shows us that almost every year we can and should expect market volatility. The average peak to trough decline in any given calendar year is actually close to 15%, minus 15%. So what does this all mean? Well, volatility happens. Markets will go through turbulent times. And according to this chart, markets will go through turbulent times in almost every single calendar year. But the takeaway here is that volatility doesn't mean you're going to lose money in your investment portfolio, so long as you stick to your investment plan. The average calendar year will see a drawdown that dips into the double digits, like I said, close to 15%, but the average calendar year return is 8%, is positive. So if you want to capture that market return that is on average 8%, you have to be willing to stomach a little bit of market volatility as well. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.